Tom Irwine with ESI Equipment here today, and we're going to do a quick walk around of our latest medic unit for Holy Name Hospital. As we come through, they built this on a GMC crew cab, 6.5 foot bed. As always, we have our side gull wing doors. They have a 9-inch deep cabinet with USB 12 volt for phone charging, as well as a 110 outlet for any other equipment, and an angled tray which will hold up to 300 pounds of gear. Each gull wing door will have an LED Luma bar so you can see your equipment, as well as it'll light up the area around here. Reflective striping, as well as corner lights for anyone walking by, and additional protection from traffic. In this unit, you'll see we have our typical HVAC system. On the top, you see the ductwork for the air conditioning. Here is one of the heaters. We have programmed the system so that if the heater goes on, the ductwork will blow so that it circulates the air well. It's a one-step set and forget thermostat. You set the temperature, it will decide if it's heat or air conditioning. You don't have to change that as the seasons change. And if you come around to the back, another thing that we've done is we did put a second heater in. So there's a heater in front and back, and the air circulating to ensure it keeps up the temperature. Another feature we did to optimize the use of the space, instead of having all this space open and not storing anything, we put an angled tray that comes off of the back with a front drawer release to secure it. It also has the oblongs so that the air flows well and keeps the temperature up with the air conditioning and heating unit. At the rear of our units, you have 60/40 doors. One of the most popular options with fire and EMS, as well as law enforcement, on the 60 door on the passenger side is this glove box holder. It just unscrews, lifts up, has storage for 4 boxes, so you can do small, medium, large, and extra large. It has foam padding in the back to secure them tightly and keep them from rattling or bouncing. Then when you close it and re-screw it down, you'll see it has a little roof which covers the opening to keep the gloves dry and safe. Feature on this unit I would like to show you is a tray within a tray. We constructed a pull-out tray that is within the tray as a workstation. Crews can use this to restock first in bags, take notes, or work on their charts right from here. It stows back in, and the entire tray pulls out, giving them 6 foot of storage area. One of the other features on this tray that we did was we only used the space we needed to store the under tray instead of going all the way back. That made for a little bit of deeper storage space at the end and optimizing all the space we can for them. On the driver's side of the rear of this unit, they have a locking med drawer which pulls out and gives ample storage space for medications and IVs, and does lock for security. The entire tray then also pulls out for additional storage space for equipment here, a horizontally mounted oxygen bracket. This tray is rated at 750 pounds of gear. One of the options we do on the back of our units, when you open the 60/40 doors, we will have these combination warning and floodlights on each door. One of the most popular features, especially for medics who are oftentimes at a scene for long periods of time, we'll put a cutoff switch so that if a crew is at a scene for a long period of time, they don't have to have the flashing lights.